Heather Knox here with eXp Realty. I am in San Antonio area, so I am out in the Johnson Ranch community right now at one of my homes that is listed here, but I am going to give you guys an entire tour of Johnson Ranch community, the amenity center, the views, and everything that there is to know about the Johnson Ranch community. So let's check out this house as well in this video and the entire neighborhood that goes with it. But stay tuned and I will show you around the entire neighborhood. So I'm back in my car for a minute because the wind and the lighting and everything was really bad out there. But so Johnson Ranch is a community in Bulverde, Texas. So Bulverde is about, say, 30 minutes north of San Antonio. I'll also show you on a map. It's a wonderful little town right south of Spring Branch, which is also south of Canyon Lake. So I'll show you on a map. But let's go ahead and tour this neighborhood and I'll show you all of the amenities and everything that there is to it. Amazing for kids and schools, parks all throughout. So here we go. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell so that you can see all of my videos that are up and coming. This is off of Mustang Vista, coming in right here to the community. So there's two different entrances. One off of 1863, one off of Johnson Way, and then one off of Mustang Vista. So if we were to keep driving through here, every time that I turn the camera to the side, there's different gates to all the different sections of the community that you can go into. And then on the right, there's actually a trail right there that will take you all the way to the amenity center on the south side of Johnson Ranch. So I'm going to take you into the gated community where I actually have a listed house there right now on Cast Iron Cove. And I'm just going to show you around the neighborhood just so you can kind of get an idea of what the neighborhood looks like, what the area looks like. Like if you were to be riding your bike around or driving your car around, you can kind of see like what the neighborhood looks like and what, you know, the surrounding houses will look like. So take a minute right here, follow around the neighborhood, and just so you can kind of see like what it would be like if you had your kids and you guys went for a bike ride around the neighborhood. It's a very quiet neighborhood, a lot of families, which is amazing. So we're just going to go around this neighborhood. So I guess while we're driving around the neighborhood, around Johnson Ranch, so this is off of 281 in Bulverde, Texas. There are all of the major shopping stores, H-E-B, Walmart, and then all of the smaller stores that go off of there, which would be, you know, like all of your fast food restaurants and that sort of items. So as we left out of the neighborhood right there, I turned right and kept going east. Right here to the left up here, there's a little nature trail that you can go in. It's not associated with Johnson Ranch, but it's right on the road outside of it. And then driving along, had to stop for the donkeys that are on the side of the road. So this is just a little back road that connects the north and the south side of Johnson Ranch. So here I am going off of FM 1863 is another one of the entrances, and this is the south side of Johnson Ranch. So this right here up to the left is the fire station, and then also the Johnson Ranch Elementary School. So the middle school for this area is Smithson Valley Middle School, and then the high school is Smithson Valley High School. So this is the elementary school right there in the community on the south side of Johnson Ranch. And then right here, the road divides. So what I thought was really neat coming up here on the left is actually an old ranch. That is Johnson Ranch. So there, right there to the left is the old ranch that's still in the middle of it. So, you know, you still feel like you're kind of out in the country, even though you're in a community. So along this road, this is the main road through Johnson Ranch on the south side. There's just all the communities on either side that you have to go through the gate to get into each community. And then coming up here on the right is the amenity park for the entire community. This is the overlook area, so you come into here and this is where the pool, a play set, the basketball court is all in here. And then there's actually a trail that connects the two communities, the north and the south side, together. So you could actually get to here on a trail, a walking trail. And then I wanted to drive you up into the overlook part of the neighborhood, so you could see this is the newer homes being built in Johnson Ranch. These houses are starting around $600,000, most of them, but the views from up here, you can see all of Cibolo Canyon. It's gorgeous. See the view from up here? So these two lots right here. So then this is the middle exit. This is on Johnson Way, coming out back onto Highway 281. And so if I went right out of here, it would take me up to HEB and Walmart and a couple other fast food restaurants, Subway and that sort of such, and Canyon Lake. And if I went left, it would take me down to Stone Oak or Target and, you know, shopping malls are.
All right, so here we go. Let's go inside of this house at 31860 Cast Iron Cove in Bulverde, Texas, in Johnson Ranch. So this house is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2360 square feet. Right when you come into the front door, you have 2 bedrooms on the right-hand side and a full bathroom. A long hallway leading all the way down into the living room, and then to the left here is the garage. With shelving included in there for storage, another full bathroom, and then a bedroom. All of the closets are normal size. So we're going to head down in here. Right here to the right is, let's say, it could be a media room, it could be a formal dining room, it could be an office. And then over here to the left is the laundry room. And then on this way is your wide open floor plan of your kitchen, your living room. In this kitchen, they have a full walk-in pantry, a double oven, and then all of the stainless steel appliances, and then the open floor plan. So right there to the left of the living room, you could put another dining room or a little breakfast nook area. And then this way is going to take us into the master bedroom, separate tub and shower, dual vanities, and then a large walk-in closet in here. Alright, so back out into the living room is the backyard is right off of the living room, dining room area. So in the backyard, they upgraded all of the concrete and they extended it out under the gazebo right there. So that comes included with the house. They have a fully fenced in with the gate has safety latches like a pool would, so your kids can't get out or get in or away from the backyard area. That was a full dog run, completely enclosed over there with a cover, a shade cover. And then right here they have the plug for an external generator if that's something that you wanted.